Hello and welcome again. Today I am teaching you strawberry and polka dot nails art step by step guide. This fresh strawberry manicure with cute polka dots will make your fingers look good enough to eat. Step number 1. Start by painting your ring finger and thumbnails with a white nail polish. Then paint the rest of your nails with a light pink nail polish. Let's move to step number 2. Using a thin nail art brush and a red nail polish, begin making small upside down triangle shapes on your white nails. Make sure that the triangles are slightly rounded, since they will be your strawberries. Step number 3. Using a dotting tool and a white nail polish, place dots in a polka dot pattern on all the pink nails. Let's move to step number 4. Using a thin nail art brush and a green nail polish, draw a few leaves above the strawberries. Let's move to step number 5. Using the same nail art brush and a yellow nail polish, place tiny yellow dots inside the strawberries. These will be the seeds on your nails. Step number 6. Using a dotting tool and a light pink nail polish, fill in the empty area between the strawberries with polka dots. Step number 7. Remove all the extra nail polish on your nails with the thinner and nail remover. Step number 7. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. That's all, everybody. Your nail is ready to go your party. Thank you very much for watching my video.